90% of people never start a side hustle. And the ones who do? Most of them fail. Because they start the wrong way. And if you're watching this right now, there's a high chance you're making the same mistake. You keep telling yourself, I need the perfect idea. A professional website. A logo. Maybe some money. Then I'll start. But days turn into weeks. Weeks turn into months. And nothing changes. Your salary comes in. And within a few days, it's almost gone. Bills. Food. Transport. Subscriptions. And at the end of the month, stress, frustration, and zero progress. You say, I'll start when I'm ready. But here's the truth most people don't want to hear. You will never feel ready. There will always be something missing. More time. More money. More knowledge. And that's exactly why people stay stuck for years. But today, that changes. Because you don't need a big start. You need a small, fast, messy start. And if you follow what I'm about to show you, you can make your first dollar online within the next 7 days. But wait. The biggest mistake is still coming. Rule number 1, start with zero complexity. This is where beginners destroy their chances. They open YouTube. Watch how to build an online store. Then they create a full website. Add 30 to 50 products. Design everything perfectly. Maybe even spend money on ads. And then, nothing. No sales. No customers. No motivation. And they quit. Why? Because they skipped the most important step, proof. You don't need a business first. You need proof that someone is willing to pay you. Let me show you a smarter way. Instead of building a big online store, start a micro online shop. Pick one simple product. Something cheap. Something useful. Something trending. For example, a portable blender. A ring light. A phone stand. A mini fan. Now instead of wasting time building a website, post it directly on platforms where people already are. Facebook Marketplace, TikTok, WhatsApp groups. Write something simple, mini portable blender, only $12. Limited stock. DM to order. That's it. No logo. No brand. No stress. Day 1. Nothing happens. Day 2. A few people ask questions. Day 3. You make your first sale. That moment? That's everything. Because now, it's no longer theory. It's real. You don't need a business empire. You need your first customer. But wait. The next tip is where most beginners get confused. Tip number 2, sell what you already know. Most people believe, I need to learn high-income skills before I can earn. That's not true. You already know something valuable. Maybe you can design simple posts using Canva. Maybe you can edit short videos. Maybe you're good at replying to messages or organizing things. That's enough to start. Here's what you do. Go to Instagram. Search for small businesses. Scroll through their page. You'll notice something interesting. Their content is inconsistent. Their posts are low quality. Their engagement is low. That's your opportunity. Send them a simple message. Hey, I noticed your page isn't posting regularly. I can create 5 simple posts to help you stay active and attract customers. Price it at $10, $20. That's it. Simple. Clear. Actionable. Cheap? Yes. But remember, this is not your final level. This is your starting point. You're building confidence. You're building experience. You're building proof. And once you have that, you can increase your price. But wait. Here's where most people sabotage themselves. Tip number 3, don't wait for perfection. You tell yourself, I'll start when everything looks professional. But let me tell you something. Your first product post will look average. Your first message will feel awkward. Your first sale will be messy. And that's completely normal. Perfection is not real. It's just fear in disguise. Say this to yourself: done is better than perfect. Because action creates improvement. Not thinking. Not planning. Not watching videos. Action. Now listen carefully. Once you start making a few dollars, that's when you upgrade. That's when you build systems. That's when you look professional. You can create a simple online shop using Hostinger to make your side hustle look more legit. Link in the description. But remember this rule: earn first, build later. Most people do the opposite and fail. But wait, now comes something powerful. Tip number 4: rejection equals data. You message 10 people. No one replies. You feel bad. You feel like quitting. But successful people think differently. They don't take rejection personally. They analyze it. Maybe your message is weak. Maybe your offer is unclear. Maybe your timing is wrong. Let's fix it. Instead of saying, "Hi, I sell products," say, "Hi, I noticed your page isn't very active. I can help you create simple posts that attract more customers." Now you're solving a problem. And when you solve problems, people pay. Rejection is not failure. It's feedback. Every no brings you closer to a yes. But wait. Now the real game begins. Tip number 5: focus on fast money, not big money. This is where beginners get distracted. They chase big dreams. I want passive income. I want automation. I want to make $1,000 a day. But they ignore reality. You need fast money first. Why? Because fast money builds confidence. Confidence creates momentum. And momentum creates success. Focus on simple things: sell one product online, offer one small service, resell trending items. These are not glamorous. But they work. And once you start earning, everything changes. But wait. There's a hidden advantage you're not using. Tip number 6: use your current environment. You don't need a global audience. You don't need thousands of followers. You just need people. Look around you. Your friends. Your contacts. Your local community. Your social media. Someone always needs something. Maybe someone wants to buy a product. Maybe someone needs help with content. Maybe someone is too busy to do small tasks. That's your opportunity. Start small. Solve one problem. Make one sale. Repeat. That's how income is built. But wait. The final tip is the most powerful. Tip number 7: action beats information. Let me ask you something honestly. How many videos have you watched about making money? How many ideas have you saved? How many times have you said, "I'll start tomorrow"? And how much have you actually earned? Exactly. Because knowledge doesn't make money. Execution does. You don't need more information. You need action. So here's your challenge. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Today. Post one product. Message 5 people. Send one clear offer. That's it. Simple. Direct. Effective. Your goal is not $1,000. Your goal is your first $10. Because that first $10 changes your belief. And once your belief changes, you stop doubting and start doing. So remember this. Start small. Think simple. Act fast. And then scale smart. And when you're ready to grow, build your brand. Create your online shop. Use tools like Hostinger to look professional and grow faster. Link in description. If you're serious about changing your financial life, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and watch the next video, because I'll show you step by step how to turn a small side hustle into a consistent online income. Don't wait. Take action today. Because 6 months from now, you'll either be earning or still saying, "I wish I had started."